Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and backing up the current configuration, because once you change modes, you want a safe rollback. Once done, make sure the device is on stable power, 50% battery or plugged in, then close non-essential apps to avoid conflicts. Next, open the Setup panel and locate the mode or profile setting, note or screenshot default values. You move deliberately here. Preserve state, minimize variables, and prepare to switch without guesswork. You now select user mode and read every prompt, because permissions often change and you need to know what you grant. Once selected, apply changes incrementally. Toggle non-critical features off first, verify behavior, then enable necessary features one by one. Make sure to monitor logs and status indicators in real time. That helps you catch permission or service conflicts early. If a component fails, you can revert the single change rather than the whole system, which saves time. You finish by running quick functional tests. Log in as a user, run basic workflows, and verify network and app performance to ensure the switch worked. Once satisfied, document the final settings and export the config. Schedule backups every 7 to 14 days so you maintain a safe history. If something goes wrong, restore the backup immediately, inspect error logs to pinpoint the culprit, and then retry the change in isolation to prevent cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.